Welcome to Guide Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to create Alipay account. Alipay is a digital wallet in China that has more than 1 billion active users worldwide. Now, to create your Alipay account, make sure you have the application on your phone device. After opening your Alipay application, you can see the first piece is this, where you need to enter your phone number to sign up for your account. You can also see two options at the down, other sign up methods or retrieve account. In case if you had Alipay accounts at the past that you have deleted but you want to recover or retrieve it, then you can tap on that option and they will be helping you to get your old account back. Now let's see other sign up methods. So you have to tap over there. If you are an iPhone user, you can see the option of Apple ID. For others, you can see the option of email. This means you can sign up for your Alipay account using your Apple ID if you are an Apple user or your email ID. But for this video, we will go for the phone number. After you are done entering your phone number, you have to simply tap on sign up now. Then this box will pop up. All you have to do is tap on agree, as this is for service agreement and privacy protection. After that, you need to go through a verification process. The process may look like this. All you have to do is slide ball to the basket. They will be now sending you an verification code on your text message. Make sure to check in and enter the code. And after that, your Alipay account will be created successfully. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Hub. Thank you.